Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how computer vision works through machine learning pipeline. We are going to label the data and then we will use the machine learning classifiers KNN and SVM to check the accuracy. So here we have give the path of our data set. This is my data set of cats and dogs. Here list directory will gonna list the files and OS path dot join will combine multiple paths into single path. This is the function. We are going to read the images from our dataset. Here I have randomly shown an image from my dataset. We are going to resize the image and we're going to check if we resize on 32, 64 or 128, what will be the accuracy the data the classifiers will going to give us. So here we are going to change it into 64 and now resize it into 64. After getting the features, we're going to flatten the image. From original to the 64, we're going to have to see this is the result after resizing. So we are calculating the accuracy for real image, histogram, and grayscale image. So this is for histogram, accurate hist, and histogram for grayscale. So this is the list we have created, and now we are going to add. Append means that we are going to add it, but from the last. So here we have seen the length we got into our train cat images. Now for all these train dog files, train cat files, and train dog. Now here we are going to label the cat into 1, train cat, and test cat into 1, train dog into 0, and dog into 0. Here we are concatenating this stack, next stack. After that, we are going to use our train test n and test set. So here we have initialized our classifiers. This is for KNN real image, this is for histogram, and this is for gray. SVM for real image, histogram, and gray. This is the initialization for our classifiers. Now we are going to fit it into our classifiers, and then we are going to check the accuracy. Okay, so here it gives us the accuracy 53% on real image, 58% for gray, for histogram, and 53% for grayscale. Now we are going to check the accuracy for SVM, as SVM is not a lazy learner. Now we are going to see what it's going to predict. For real image, it's give us 66, and for histogram, it's going to give us 62, and for grayscale, it's giving us 56. Now we are going to display our confusion matrix. This is our confusion matrix. Now we'll see where are the errors in the array. So we have to use np.where, and we're going to see the errors. There's a list of errors that there was actually cat and the model has recognized into dog, and that were actually dog and the model has classified it into cat. Now let's have, this is my own picture. Now I'm going to see what does that classifiers that model is going to give me on my picture. Is it recognizing me as a dog or as a cat? So here first I have get feature image, and I'm using SVM. Let's see what SVM is going to predict to my picture. Get feature is going to flatten the image, and now I see that it is showing me array 0. As array 0 we have labeled as a dog.